Network Entertainment.
Hi girls
and boys, kami ang
Lady Bosses!
Mga sisteralets!
CR tayo, let's go!
Hello! O bago ako mag-ask ko lang, meron tayong guest.
Yay!
That's my time to talk, right?
Time to lead the prayer.
Please let's hold hands and pray for the Grab driver that I scared on the way here.
Siya pala si Alex Brown. Oo, she's a comedian from LA.
But I was born here, if immigration asks.
Nag-guest na natin si Alex before, di ba?
Before,
Through Zoom.
I know. I looked more blonde and less wrinkles.
Siya yung nag-remove ng bra.
Yeah.
Oo.
And now if I do that, they'll just fall.
So, ito yung ask ko lang ko. Nakakaintindi siya ng Tagalog, ha? So,
But pasensya if I have to ask for translation.
oo, nakakaintindi siya ng Tagalog, pero kung hindi, mag-i-English kami. Sa episode na to.
If you see my ears bleeding, that means I don't understand what's happening. Reverse
Pag kami
nosebleed.
naman yung na-nosebleed, yun naman di ka namin maintindihan.
Okay, may tissue naman eh.
So, sino may regla ngayon?
Actually, yeah. But now soon we will all have it. It was
So, ito, yung ask ko lang. Ano yung, hindi ko alam kung i-English ko to. Sige. Ano yung, ano yung magandang topic for small talk?
Nice topics for small talk.
Oo. Oh, sige, English. Nice topics
I
for
usually
small
like to
talk.
start with what's going on in the Middle East. No, usually, I mean, what do you start with? You always start with like, how are you doing? And if you know someone's family or something, like, how's your mom's thing? Or, diba?
Where are you from?
But that's so boring.
What
I
if
feel like
he's a complete stranger?
if he's
Like you don't know any affiliations with
in
this
LA,
person.
in LA, and I hate it. That's why I love being here. This hasn't been asked once, but they'll say, "What's your sign?"
What is your zodiac
In
sign?
LA, they are all obsessed with the zodiac signs. So it will be, even on dating apps, it will be like, if you're a Scorpio, Gemini, a Capricorn, don't even bother swiping. Because they're like, yeah, and like straight guys
This
will
is
ask
like our
me.
age group or younger ones?
Yes, the straight guys will be like, what's your sign?
guys?
And I'm
Straight
like,
guy. Talaga?
No, my sign
Dollar
is do not
sign.
enter. Alex, you say do not enter. That's my sign.
I
Yeah.
mean, like, that, and I know, I always, it's a head scratcher, and here it's so refreshing because no one asks
knows
that.
this.
It's
Parang
like,
tapat ko, linis ko. Ganun.
Bawal umihi dito.
Bawal umihidi. Bawal tumawid. May namatay na dito. Huwag iihi, may multa.
that's what I did my makeup on the way here, and before I got out, I asked the Grab driver, "Does my makeup look okay?" And he said, "Ma'am, mukhang multa."
Wow! He's so honest. He's so honest.
It's like, it's a look, dude. I still tipped him. Why did I still tip him? Why do we do that?
What? So if they're not compatible with your sign,
Swipe.
Yeah, or they have like a preconceived prejudice already about I'm a Scorpio, and that's considered one of the most hated signs. So they will already like naturally, men and women have like
hated signs pala tayo, Jeline.
Are you also?
Scorpio kami dalawa. Scorpio.
Now I believe it.
She's like, oh, now I have a reason to. I hated them before, but now I have a reason.
Ano sign mo?
Hindi ko alam eh.
Hindi mo
Oh
alam?
my gosh!
No, Gemini, is that it?
I don't know. I don't know.
No, but
Ano
is that it?
birthday
Like,
mo?
June.
Ano
June
ba?
what?
I think.
I should
Tayo,
know
tayo,
that
Gemini
too.
tayo.
See, if you ask,
A Cancer ako.
if you
umabot
were
ka
in
sa
LA and you
July.
were to say my birthday's June, and then you give the
Oh, yeah,
date,
Cancer ka na.
some
Cancer.
everyone will go,
Alam
oh, that
na nila.
means that you're a so and so, and your rising sign.
Pero bakit
and
sila
your-
obsessed sa sa mga zodiac
I
signs?
don't know. I mean, lack of personality. No, I don't. I guess, but that's an easy. Maybe that's an easy. What you were saying, the conversation starter or icebreaker, and then it provides you some information on the person based
kung
on.
tama na lang.
Oo,
parang-
diba?
Paano kung kunwari ayaw nila yung sign mo, edi wala na, end of conversation.
Conversation already.
Yeah, because like
judgmental.
for Scorpios, the assumption is that they automatically assume that you'll try to sleep with my partner or my husband, like because we're slut.
Ang judgmental
But I
naman.
know, and then I always say, yeah, but I'll also try to sleep with you because I'm bisexual. So I'll sleep with I just all of you, the husband and the wife, diba? And then it's not adultery.
Ang hirap naman nun. Ka-age natin mga yun, ha?
Yeah,
Teka, anong age mo ba?
no, that's nice. Nice try. Who said you?
That's my small
Who said you? I got Botox here. If I must
We're the same age, Alex. No, you're younger.
shut up.
actually,
Kill you. No, I got Botox here for the first time last week. I've only ever gotten it in like LA and London, not here. And she was so funny. It was in Salcedo Village, and when the doctor finally met me, she said, "Do you want the Elsa?"
What's Elsa?
Frozen. Oh my God! I didn't know. She said, "Do you want the Elsa?" And I don't know what that. And she went Frozen. And look, can't move. Can't move my forehead. She did. I told her no. I want to be able to move it, but look, it doesn't move. So yeah, I know. Have you ever gotten any Botox or anything like that? No.
No.
This is a safe space, right? No, not.
That recorded.
I did for my
space.
underarms.
Really?
Before my wedding. Yeah, I did.
What?
Why? Kasi ginajabar.
Hindi ka jabarin. Yeah. So that's the
Pero
suggestion
long term
of
na
my
yun.
Did it
dear mother.
work?
Just not. It did.
It did?
Yeah, it
Can
did.
I smell?
10 years ago, before my wedding.
Really? Wow.
So no pawis.
And it didn't come out. I'm worried. I've heard about that. But I'm worried it'll like manifest in other places.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah,
like the
really.
sweat has to come out.
Yeah.
Kasi singit.
Dito na siya nagsusunod. Nakakamoy na kilikili.
Is it uso ba to get Botox?
Here,
You're not
no.
really-
It's
But you all
frowned
look
upon.
so young. You never age, right? I haven't seen you in a few years. You look the same. You look the same.
Parang ano yata yun eh. Ikaw kasi may lahi ka eh.
Yeah.
May lahi
So
ka
parang
ba?
yung Asian, talagang mukha talagang bata. yung mga
I
Asians,
think
diba?
it's also the humidity here.
Yeah.
Kasi
Oh,
in
yeah,
LA,
it keeps
the
you-
sunlight
it's
is like
so
straight
dry,
on your
It's
face.
desert. Oh, it's
Kaya,
desert
oo.
climate there.
So ano pa yung mga ibang small talk?
That's a good.
Ito yung small talk mo lang haba na.
Small talk. Do you get small talk?
It works.
Yeah. What's your go-to?
Ako hindi ako conversation starter eh. Yun lang talaga. So hindi ko alam. Ang tanong ko lang pala, kumain ka na? Di ba? Kumain ka na? Hindi pa. Okay. Ako hindi ko alam. Yun.
I think
Ganun
the
lang
usual
eh.
small talk for like
Oo.
foreigners here. Oh, so when are you flying out? It's
When did you arrive?
How did you find the Philippines?
Kaya, mabuhay.
Hey, yeah, like that. It's like,
Gusto ko malaman yung kay Jeline
Yeah,
kasi
I bet
tahimik
you
to
have.
eh. She's introvert. So, I want to know yung mga small talks para tumagal.
Usually politics or do you believe in God? It depends. Parang you base it on what do you think the person can relate to? Like if it's common, if you're both moms, diba? You talk about your children.
Complete stranger nga, girl.
Complete stranger, I don't talk to them.
Don't talk to strangers.
shoot. What kind of child are you raising? No, but isn't that a thing that when people become parents especially for the first time, they're very open. They want to talk about their kids. Like, look at my picture and look at the vomit on my shirt from my child.
Because they're not doing drugs yet. The kids are you're still proud of them.
Yeah, exactly. Or
They're still
comedy.
cute.
They're not doing comedy yet.
They still don't smell that bad.
So I'm the only non-mother here, right? That I know.
Yeah.
Wow. and you all enjoy being mothers.
Not exactly.
Different level of mother.
Was it all by choice? Like you all you knew you wanted to be mothers, or was it like, well, it happened and now?
We just like sex.
She didn't want kids at first.
Oo.
Really?
As in, ayoko.
Yeah.
Ilang episode na sinasabi ko, ayoko mag-anak, never, never, never. Ngayon, pag tinanong ako, ilan yung gusto mong anak? 6.
Really? Wow. So it really changed you. Like, that's nice.
Pero ang akin naman, kung dadating siya, okay lang.
Yeah.
Pero kung hanggat kayang huwag, syempre. Kaya lang, nangyari na,
Ayun na nga, oo.
You were like the Grinch, diba? And the heart grew 3 sizes, 3 times. So that's so nice.
ikaw, Alex, do you ever,
I've always wanted to be a mom.
Yeah.
I've always wanted to be.
I have one available.
Don't tempt. I brought a big enough bag. I'll just stick the child in there. No, I've always wanted to be a mom. I'm very childlike whenever I'm with other children or other people's children. I like to play with them. I'm very silly. And I like to act like a kid, but I don't think I'm strong enough to be able to be like a single mom or do it on my own. I would love to be able to have a partner, and because I know it's hard enough as it is, right? And so but it does. My womb always weeps when I see it. Like, and
So how does it actually weep?
really, I was in Batangas a couple of weeks ago, and we had family friends there, and they had 2 boys who were like 6 and 8 years old, and I kept playing with them, throwing them, to the point where the dad was like, he's Italian, he's this violin player. He plays here for the symphony orchestra, but he was saying, I hope one day you find a man who is obsessed, who's just as obsessed with you as my son is. And, I was like, and then one of my titos afterwards came up to me and goes, you know, Alex, you're always meant to be a mother, like that to me. And it was sweet, but it was also like, like I could really feel it down here, just like, why haven't you fulfilled your destiny?
You don't have plans to like
to freeze or to
Elsa.
To be frozen.
it's mahal in the States. It's like $20,000.
How much is
which
that?
Is,
Oh, that's expensive. Here it's like $500,000
That's
pesos.
like
So how much is that? It's similar. I think it's similar.
similar, 20,000 is mga ano.
I don't think they do it here, so you have to do it in
it's
Singapore.
like
Pero
1.1.
parang may nakita akong post na 100K lang dito magpa-freeze ng egg.
Ah, talaga?
Parang 100
Baka yung
something.
itlog na.
So many brownouts
Itlog
here.
na pula.
There's so many brownouts. I'm worried.
Discounted.
Sorry, mom.
Na-sauna pala. Na-sauna po.
Nabugok yung itlog.
Oo nga, may point ka, no?
Hindi, dapat meron silang ready power bank.
Kaya pala 100,000 lang yung ano.
Power bank.
Icebox muna.
Tube ice. Test tube ice.
Bakit ko ba tinanong yung ask ko lang na yun? Nawala na tayo sa Hindi, pero masaya. Pero tinanong ko kasi, there's a trending topic now. Do you know Parokya ni Edgar?
Yes.
Yes, Chito Miranda.
They're like officially the national band in the Philippines, but not.
So, Chito Miranda admitted that he was drunk when he had the show, and the netizens were saying, that's unprofessional, you shouldn't be doing that because it's still a corporate gig or something.
Wait, unprofessional. Aren't they the ones who have a song like "Don't Touch My Birdie"?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, I asked the ask ko lang because we're all performers, right? We're all stand-up comedians. So, what do you, ang hirap naman mag-English.
Pre-show
Di ba
ritual?
kinakabahan tayo?
Okay.
Like, pag small talk, pag may kausap kang bagong tao, like, kinakabahan ka, ano kaya, para mag-connect dito sa taong to, what will I say, what will I do, and what preparation will I be doing, parang gano'n. So, in connection sa atin, ano yung preparation mo? What preparation are you doing? Mantra, or mga kung ano-anong mga sinasabi mo, or before you go
On stage.
on stage?
That's a good question.
Do you drink?
Are you-
Do you?
Are you Padea? You have to tell me if you're Padea, right? You're not. This is not a sting operation to get. No, I do have. I have certain like things that I do. No, I try to keep a clear head. I get so nervous before I go on stage, and people who see me are surprised to hear that because I guess I don't seem nervous, but I still get so. Do you get nervous?
Yeah.
I
All the
still,
time.
yeah, like like shakes, like, and I'm so worried I'll blank out and forget.
Right.
Diba? Like someone will do something in the audience or the light will hit, and I'll just
Yeah,
completely
black out,
just blank. Has that ever happened also?
It
to you?
happened to me.
Yeah. And you just can't. You don't know when it's coming. So I just want to be the most prepared, but I'm also so scared. So I tend to procrastinate because I'm like, if I don't prepare, it's not gonna happen. And then the day arrives, and I'm like, it's gonna happen. Why don't I prepare? Every time, then I'm like, but so I try to keep a level head. I like to imbibe. I like to smoke. Well, in LA, in California, it's legal, so I like to smoke to calm my nerves, but that kills my memory. Right?
Yeah.
So I
Wait, does that happen to everyone? Kills your memory?
it just makes you a little slower sometimes. So I'll like try to smoke. I'll smoke like maybe in the morning, but then I'll take a nap, and then I'll be like, no smoking. I want from when I wake up from the nap, I'll be like, no smoking.
So it shouldn't
I'm
be right
clear.
before the show.
I try not to. For me, or drink, because even with nerves, I don't find it helps, because maybe mentally it's like a crutch, but I'll do tea. I've started to do like tea with honey now. I know. And then I take the boobs that I bought from Amazon and I put them in. I do. And I'm like, all right, girls, ready. It is. And it does. And my mom had a birthday party recently, and one of the guests was, so funny. I said to the photographer friend, I said, that's my Tita Koo. And he went, Alex, that's Koo Ledesma. Everyone knows your Tita Koo. she was there, and I saw her. She grabbed my mom because I was wearing my low-cut dress. And she said to my mom, she said, where did she get her boobs from? Because my mom is not. And then I heard her, and I went, Koo. And I went, Tita Koo, Shopee lang yan. And then I pulled them out, and my dad was like, stop. But I like to, because it helped. I wasn't blessed with that, but I think it gives me more of like confidence, and then I pull
did
it
she
out
think
on
you had a
stage.
boob
She
drop?
thought, or maybe she thought I got them from somewhere.
So, ang gandang conversation starter na yun.
It
Saan mo
is.
kinuha yung boobs mo?
Where'd you get your boobs from? Shopee. Susus by Shopee.
Seryoso, Susus by Shopee? Seryoso?
It's more like boobies by Bezos because it's Amazon. Oh my God.
Kasi I'm interested.
It looks, I like, I learned about it when I worked in fashion, like at a fashion magazine, because they do that. They
Pull it up.
they pad and then they tighten and so whatever helps. But
So much effort for women.
there is. When you sit around in the green room for my last show, I was sitting around and I was going, God, these guys don't have to worry about
Yep.
outfits.
Don't even bother.
They don't have to worry about hair because most of them are bald. No. Like, you know who I'm talking about. No.
Yun yung reklamo namin before. Like, imbes na nagme-memorize ka, instead of memorizing, you're busy.
You have
Nagre-retouch.
Otherwise, people go, are you okay? You look tired. You look so tired. And you're like, I just didn't put like concealer. And then if you do put it on, you have to worry if it cakes or if it like looks shiny.
Tapos doon na sila nakafocus instead of your set.
And then in the States, like if you post or online, if you post a clip, that'll be the number one comment, like her outfit.
Yeah.
Some guys who have no business talking about outfit or looks, diba? So it's, you do have to worry about so many other things instead of just waking up, putting on the clothes you found on the floor, like diba? And then like showing up, and they can focus the whole time on their set.
yeah.
Not like, is my eyelash off or is my
Oo, ang daming preparations ng mga babae, no? Parang 2 hours before the call time, you have to take a bath already, do the whatever.
And then shave if you're gonna do the
Yeah.
short sleeve. Or any
Am I
other
doing
thing.
the joke
Any
that I
other
have to
thing.
put my arms up?
Yeah.
So I have to shave,
Even a bra. Yeah, it's a nightmare. And it's kind of unfair because people don't really talk about it, and men don't think about it.
Yeah.
What's the most important thing that you prepare during a set? Like in terms of wardrobe?
I don't know. Your outfits are amazing. You have like a nice sense of style, I think. If I don't think about the outfit and then I see pictures afterwards, I inevitably am always like, shit, I should have thought about the outfit. Or like I never learned how to do my hair. So yeah, it's just, that's what I think about. It's just,
And
I guess
for me, I need to wear comfortable shoes.
Comfortable.
Not so.
Because you're gonna stand up for a long time. Well, I mean, for me, like 15 minutes maybe.
Oo.
Yeah.
Pero, di ba sabi mo, you want to have a clear head. Have you tried, like, before your set, na may na-experience ka na nag-smoke ka or uminom ka?
Oh,
and then
yeah.
what happened?
Oh yeah. I mean, I will sometimes forget, or it's a hit or
Is
miss.
this from a show or like open mic only?
These are from shows but they even have shows in the States where they encourage it. Like they have one, I think, where you like take mushrooms before your set.
Wow.
or you,
Everybody
like-
needs to take one?
Yeah, or you you can like smoke before your set because it's somewhere where they have that.
The bar provides it?
The bar provides.
Wow.
I did one at a place. It was a market where they sold that kind of stuff. It was members only. I did a 2-hour set.
Oh, shit!
Because it's like you're at like Salcedo Market doing a set with all the vendors there, and it's hard because none of them are really laughing because they're there sitting and they're stoners, so they're going. And then afterwards they're like, you were so funny. Like, why didn't you laugh though? So with that I did more audience interaction. Like every time someone came by, I said, okay, let's do jump rope with my mic thing. And I did it to a lady in a wheelchair. She came and I go, okay, you and your husband jump at the same time. And then because I was by the entrance, I was like, okay, the next person who walks through the door, I'm gonna start a fight with them, okay? Of course it was like a guy covered in face tattoos, like a thug. And I was like, all right, no, not this guy, I'm not gonna fight this guy, like that.
Next.
And you can have fun when you have that kind of setting. It depends, I guess, what kind of show. Then I always have my set list that I try to. Do you write your set lists out, or how do you? Yeah, and then try to just go over that. It's like my safety net. I have to. Have it. I want to write it sometimes on my arm.
One of the most things that I'm worried about is that yung nagba-blackout ka.
Yeah. And then I won't know what to, and then I'll be like.
Yung ang dami na lang yung books. Yung ang dami mo naka-line up na jokes. Tapos bigla kang walang maalala kahit isa.
Yeah, exactly.
Diba? And then, not necessarily yung pagkakasunod-sunod na lang eh. Kahit hindi na eh. Kahit ano na lang na pumasok sa isip po, putya, wala talaga.
Ang hirap kasi ng segue pag ganyan eh. The silence also.
No one tells you that 2 seconds of silence on stage feels like 10 minutes. Diba? So you're like, the audience doesn't even notice, but then you're like,
panicking already.
You just start, I panic.
And you start saying, palakpakan naman siya.
Yeah. What's the trick for that? Like, the silence. What do you do, for example? Ask the crowd? Crowd work?
I think if I took a breath and I was just like, because it's really not that, it seems like forever for us, but for them it's a blink. Like they're not even noticing. So I think if I were to just be like, okay, I just farted. Diba? And or something. But
that could
something
work.
to calm myself because I panic.
Yeah.
And then I start just giving half jokes or just the punchlines of something, because I'm like, just give them something.
Anything. But
What
that's
am I
interesting. Have you actually showed your boobs on stage?
I pulled them out, and then what's really sad is I throw them to someone, usually a guy, and the guy will just go, ugh. Then he like won't want to touch it, and I have to go, please, sir, please just pretend.
Bakit di mo ko matras?
Why won't he just listen?
What am I doing wrong? I don't know what to do.
Ano ba tayo?
Man, relationships these days seem very hard to come by, right? Everyone seems to be dealing with their own ish. They want commitment, and yet they push their partner away. They know what they need to feel loved, but they don't want to seem like they're asking for too much. You know, the usual stuff. I know. Relationships are hard, but it doesn't mean they can't get any better. I'm Nikki Porter, your relationship coach and host of Nuggets of Nikki. The path to better fulfilling relationships is tough and uncomfortable, but if it means to have the kind of connection and intimacy that allows you and your partner to thrive, even in the midst of hardship, then isn't that worth the trip? Don't wait until your favorite person becomes a stranger to realize that, yeah, you could have handled that so much better. Catch the episodes of Nuggets of Nikki, a podcast that shares bite-sized insights from relationship coach Nikki Porter. That's me!
So you want to maintain a clear head, but you know, Jeline, she drinks.
You do?
She drinks
Nawawala.
before.
I drink. I always tell myself I'm not gonna drink, but I end up drinking because of the nerve.
What's
Oo,
your
lagi ba?
Lagi.
what's your drink of choice? Like, what's your poison?
Red horse.
Giniko din eh.
Wow. Wow. So you're my
Bakit, Jeline? Why?
Because of the nerves.
Calm
Because
the
it
nerves.
helps you calm down. And I feel like I'm too stiff if I'm not drunk, if I'm sober. So to be more spontaneous, I have to drink.
It works, yeah. 'Cause
Pero
all
hindi
your
ka
sets
nagba-blackout.
are fine.
You're so
So far,
you
not
don't seem
yet.
nervous at all on stage. Well, maybe that's the
I
red
told
horse.
you, red horse works. I encourage everyone.
Ito ang tama.
Is it just for performance that
Yes,
you get
just for-
nervous?
And for problems too.
Like for sex, do you have to drink before? I mean, it helps.
Yeah.
Ikaw ba kayo umiinom ka? Ako hindi ko kaya uminom.
Minsan lang. Pagkasabay ko to si Jeannie tsaka si Jeline, usually tatlo kami inom kami. Pero on a usual show, hindi. Kasi ano ba, parang alam mo yung overconfident ka? Na feeling mo lahat ng sasabihin mo nakakatawa. Tapos yung audience mo, nawiwirdohan na sa'yo na parang, ba't mo tinatawanan yung sarili mong joke? Pero ba? Minsan may show ako na gano'n. May isa akong show, Alex, gano'n. Na siguro nakatatlong red horse ako bago ako. So, pagpasok ko pa lang, feeling ko nakakatawa ako.
Invincible.
Oo. Feeling ko lahat kaya ko.
Kailan
Parang
to?
ganyan. Show natin ng Lady Bosses yun eh.
Pero
So, yung
maganda.
Nag-kill siya doon.
Maganda, pero iba yung pakiramdam ko.
Oo.
Hindi-
Parang feeling mo,
Feeling ko ako yung headliner. Parang ganun yung pakiramdam. Kaya lang, basta meron pa ring feeling na sobra yung ginawa mo. Parang ganyan.
And it didn't help you, you think? It just
Parang
like
hindi.
tended.
Oo. Kasi mahihirapan kang i-gauge yung sarili mo. Yung set mo, mahihirapan kang i-gauge afterwards. Kasi nga, may alak. Unlike nung normal ka, ma-evaluate mo ng maayos yung sarili
Oo
mo.
nga. Ako, I drank an amaretto sour right before my set for an open mic.
amaretto.
Jologs kayo. Sorry, Dia.
Case over here Googling amaretto sour.
And I learned the hard way because I was working on a new joke and then I forgot it on the spot, on stage. I completely forgot my joke.
So,
And then
anong
good
ginawa
thing, andun ang host nun si GB eh. Tapos parang, I just stared at the audience and then, oh my gosh, I forgot my joke. I was working on it. I don't know it yet. And I was stepping out of the stage and then I just told GB, oh no, let me try again. So I went back and then told the joke. And
Good for
then,
you though. That's like that's what you're supposed to do.
I couldn't forgive myself. I won't forgive myself if I didn't try the joke that night. Diba? Parang nakakaya.
Oo naman. Pero, I think, we can get away kasi comedy yan eh.
Tsaka open mic naman eh. It wasn't a show. So,
Open
I
mic.
learned the hard way, but I never drank again.
But see,
Like
with
before a
that
show.
Cheeto guy, like that's rock and roll, right? You
Yeah.
have to like examine, like if he was at a business conference giving a presentation, yeah, maybe that would be inappropriate. But like it's rock and roll.
And they know they know parokya ni Edgar. He always drink.
They're giving
Yes.
it, diba? They
Yes.
have their ganyan naman.
their
So
brand.
yeah, so it's
So,
on brand.
meron nga silang
On
inuman
brand.
session na na recorded na
Yeah.
Yun.
Song.
And that's why
Video.
it's one of the benefits of being a musician, especially in a band. Is that like unlike comedy where first of all you need an audience to do your art, right? It's one of the only art forms where you like need an audience to be able to do it. But in comedy, if you forget, it's just silence. Whereas if you're in a band and the lead singer forgets the lyrics, there's a band to pick up and play. Diba? There's like background.
you can ask the
music.
audience to sing with you.
Okay, sabihin mo, shot tayo! Itaas na natin yung mga umiinom dyan. Cheers!
Just like crickets.
Pero ano ba yung corporate show or like a concert?
Para siyang, yung corporate show na nila parang...
Pasig, at a bar in Pasig.
Oh,
I
so
read
bar.
at some bar where
And
he's
it's a bar.
like, what do you expect? You served him
Ito mo,
alcohol.
Jeannie, yung nag-host ka ng lasing na open mic.
Eto, in contrary sa mga sinasabi ng mga to, hindi ako umiinom before the set. Like, pareho tayo na parang gusto ko clear yung utak ko. Kasi I always forget. Kahit siguro same set, same 15 minutes, nakakalimutan ko pa rin. I don't know why. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Kahit alam ko na yung buong kwento ng buong set ko, nakakalimutan ko pa rin.
Iba kasi yung experience pag nandun ka na sa stage.
Something. You
something
forget a
happens on
tag
stage.
or ano.
Tapos medyo OC ako. Pag may nakalimutan akong isang joke, parang, parang
it throws you off.
nare-reward.
Diba?
Parang robot eh. Pero, the first time that I hosted an open mic, sinabi ko sa sarili ko na, hindi ako inom. Parang wala akong planong uminom. At all. Kasi first time ko. Kasi gusto ko, syempre, gusto ko maayos, di ba? Para, uy, magaling siyang host. Kunin natin sa wedding. Parang gano'n, di ba? Pero, ito kasing dalawa.
Kayo pala eh. Kayo naman pala kasi.
Umiinom sila. So, sila yon umiinom sila before the set. Ito, umiinom
Pinakailan
before the
tanong pa ako
set.
sa kanya, Jeannie, inom ka? Hindi. Yung mag-host ako. Sige, inom kami ni Jeannie na, sige. Pucha, mamaya, yung Jeannie, bumibili na ng red.
Well, parang before the show started, I started drinking already. Tapos, dun sa buong hosting ko, talagang parang rino-roast ko lahat ng mga kahit sinong nakikita ko.
Diba sabi mo?
Masaya.
Sometimes it works in your favor if you just roll with it, diba?
Oo,
If
tapos
you have fun
sumasayaw
with
pa
it.
akong gano'n na hindi ko maintindihan. So parang sinasabi nila, balik ang drunk Jeannie. Drunk Jeannie.
Nag-confess ka pa kay Aldo.
Ano sinabi?
Sabi ko, Aldo is up. Sabi ko, ito, crush ko to. Pero hindi, syempre alam naman natin na hindi totoo. Like parang poging bata eh. Lil bro.
That's incest.
So, tapos tinawag kong mataba yung iba. Yung mga ganun. So parang, siguro nagkaroon lang ng kulay yung isang open mic noon. And ayoko na siya ulitin.
Tapos yung open mic na yun, mas natuwa pa sila sa host kesa doon sa mga nag-open mic.
But game ba yung audience? They were game. So that's
sila.
what
Kaya tapos sabi nila, sabi ng ibang comedians, ba't naglalasing yung tita na to?
This set sponsored by Red Horse.
Ang hirap. So, yung mga struggles, 'di ba first 1 hour mo ba ginawa mo dito?
Yes. Yeah. And
I remember that.
Oh my God.
You had a long list for
I had a
your
long
cue
list,
card.
and then last year I did also an hour set, and that was so different because I just had
Yung
fun
ba yung
with it.
ninanda yung apat?
Oo, tapos opener si
yeah.
Jolene.
Yes, she was incredible. You're so expensive.
Powered by Red Horse.
Yes.
Pero ba't hindi red wine man lang? Won't it calm your nerves but at the same time
Red
have
wine?
a clear head?
There's no red wine in There's no red wine in yun?
Hindi, tsaka yung yung hindi naman sa red wine or red horse to nasa pera yun eh.
Pero feeling ko, siya eh, parang more of psychological din siguro. Parang, the elixir of confidence.
Yeah. I can do it now. I have my liquid courage.
So, ano preparation yung ginawa? Kasi iba yung 5 minutes, sa 15 minutes, sa 30 minutes, tsaka sa 1 hour. Iba yung 1 hour. So, yung first 1 hour mo dito, ano yung mga ginawa mo
I'm a
preparation?
nerd. I write out my whole set. Like,
Yeah, it was printed out, right? Was it?
set.
Like
And then-
word per
and then
word?
I have on like I used to write it out, but I type it out and then I have my
You
set
printed it out.
list.
Yeah, it's so funny.
And I do it now as well, but I don't know. But then sometimes I just don't use it. Like the one that did very very well, it was more just me playing with the audience and then going off of that reaction, and then that reminded me of something.
You're lucky because you're good at crowd work. But for some of us, I don't know how to do crowd work, honestly. I can try to, but it doesn't come out natural.
Like my last show was a strictly crowd work show, which
Yung
I've
kayo nila,
never
Micah.
done.
Micah, pati ni...
Yung talking stage?
There's this comedian who has been stalking me.
Stalking you? Filipino comedian? What?
No, of course not. Of course not.
What?
Of course not. An entitled white dude.
So what happened?
I did a show before Christmas. He showed up and I've never met him.
Here in the Philippines?
Is he?
Here.
Is
I
he?
think I know
Here.
who that is.
I won't name
Is
know-
he
I know who
based
that
here?
is.
He's based here. He showed up to my show, and the first thing he said to me was, "You look taller than you do on Instagram."
Oh, shit!
No, not even kidding. And I went, "What? What?" And then he knows all my jokes, and he came to my last show. The show where he first met me, he sat front row. I insisted on sitting front row. He had a 100. He had a 100 peso bill, and he said he was going to run on set on stage during my set
Insert
and
it on your-
tuck it in my bra.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
what?
shit.
He did it? No.
Thank
he was
God
planning
he
to.
didn't. Thank God he didn't. But he heckled my last show and interrupted me. He came to my last show. He brought a date who was blonde, which already I was like, I know what you're trying to do here. And then he, in the middle of my set, yelled out because I just took a breath, or I was having like a little moment where so he yelled out, "Alex!" like that. And I went, I think I hear white privilege. But then he was trying to like hit on me because I was telling a threesome joke. So he was trying to hit on me on stage. Tapos I said, you're trying to hit on me while you have a date? I go, does your date know that when you went to the bathroom, you were hitting on another girl? And the whole audience was like, oh,
shit, you said that on
yeah,
stage?
because it's disrespectful. He wouldn't do it to a man, right? And it's twice now that he's come. And then he told me, like, I came to the Philippines to fuck brown women. Like that kind of, I don't normally think women are funny, but I think you're funny. Like that kind of like, what are you doing, sir? You have to be very good looking to pull that kind of thing off. And you're not. No. Like,
Sino to? I-blip
want-
natin.
I'll
I-blip
be-
natin.
okay,
Ipapablip ko para meron tayong pang Patreon.
he's
I know who he is.
Mabiblip
first
yan.
of okay, when I first met at my show, he was talking to my older brother, my kuya, after my show, and my kuya goes, "Alex, don't talk to this guy," because he was trying to hit on me. He goes, we were talking about hip hop, and he called rap music the N-word.
Oh my God.
But he said the full word. He
Yeah.
was calling it. I don't listen to that
Oh my
N-word
gosh.
music.
Oh my
So
gosh.
he's a racist cop from Northern Ireland.
Oh, si pa to.
he's
Oh, si
Yeah,
Ipiblip.
exactly.
Ivan, pakiblip tong dalawang pangalan na to. Oh, I know. Wow, that's sad. Because I
So,
know.
nag-open mic siya pag Sunday, yung all English.
And he
Oh, wala na yung
wala na.
English.
Yeah, and they keep talking to me about how Filipino comedians aren't funny, blah blah blah. Like all this stuff that's very disrespectful and also not true. That was one of them found out. He said they came to my show. Oh, are you gonna do your set in English? And I said, no, I do Taglish. And one of them said, I hate when people do sets in Tagalog. And I was like,
He's here. in the
exactly.
Philippines.
Grabe.
Exactly.
Alam mo, sobrang sad
so,
kasi yung ex niya, kaibigan ko. Well, naging kaibigan. Yeah. Kilala niyo to yung ex niya.
Okay.
Sasabihin ko ba yung pangalan? O basta hindi.
No, tell
Anyway,
us after,
basta daughter siya ng famous comedian, TV comedian. So, siya yung ex niya. Tapos they go to Kulpa show. Talagang kasama namin sa backstage, yung mga ganun. So parang, akala ko, magiging okay sila na sila. Kasi, yun nga. Kupal!
No, really, and I thought it's just the fact that they think, I don't know, they just don't respect women. I don't think it's a very like, because again, when you see them talking to men, it's like, they're like suck up. They're making sip to the guys instead to us. It's like, I don't know, they think it's okay to interrupt, to tuck $1 or a bill into someone's.
Oo nga.
Tsaka ang cheap, bakit naman 100 lang?
Make it a blue one and maybe.
Sinabi niya pa sa'yo, 100 na nga lang ang gagawin.
Naman, di man lang dollars.
Cheap.
Tsaka the fact that they're here, siguro loser sila dun sa dun sa place nila, kaya pumunta sila dito to feel superior.
I don't know what. Yeah, I don't know what. He's also always sweaty, and I'm like, I go. You've definitely done something terrible because you are guilty. You always look sweaty. You've definitely fucked a child or something.
You look mabaho.
Diba? I'm like, nah, I don't trust you. I don't trust you, sir.
Yeah, and he's very red, right?
Always, yeah. A fan took pictures at my last show with me, and he's in the background creeping. Like, yeah, and I thought, oh,
So he's checking your Instagram all the
He
time.
told me after the show, the reason I interrupted your set is because I know all your jokes. And so I know where you were, what joke you were trying to tell, and I could tell that you had forgotten. So I was trying to help you. And I
So
thought,
he's not a comedian.
he said he's only done it for, he's only gone up like 3 times.
Yeah,
or
because
something.
comedian knows not to do
the
that.
comedians know the
But
ethics.
he wouldn't do that. Yeah. Also, I think if I were a man, he wouldn't do that. Like the fact that I think he thinks that it's okay to do it to women. Like
Okay, tell him that you're a man.
too late. He saw me put my boot out on stage. No, I had to buy them. I'm a man. Can I buy like an attachment on Lazada, like for this?
Adam's apple.
Adam's
So he heckled your show.
He heckled Midge. Yeah, I would never do that.
Yeah.
I've only been heckled once before, and it was a very drunk guy in the States. He yelled out, "You're hot! You're hot!" Which I was like, I mean, diba?
Like that.
Instead, I was like, I go, "Dad, is that you? I told you to stop coming to my show."
You said
But I don't know. But guys also scare me. Like I don't want to piss off a guy so much that he'll like follow me into my car and diba? Like have something again. I don't know. Yeah, it's hard because you have to tread.
Did you ever try learning improv? What you're doing is kind of like improv.
A little bit.
That's why.
I tried it. I know Isa and them
Yeah.
right have a fun improv. Is that fairly new in the Philippines? Or there's like a history of
Manila.
improv.
Matagal na yung improv, pero
Merkado pa nun.
pero same like stand-up, hindi siya masyadong kilala ng marami.
Yeah.
Pero nung after pandemic, nag-boom yung yung improv, yung spit. Siguro dahil because people want entertainment.
Entertainment, correct.
And
So-
they had a lot of like lectures, trainings online. And a lot of people joined that during the pandemic. They had free time.
So, ngayon, marami ng mga kasi marami ng mga Gen Z ngayon, yung mga new comedians like the spit and the improv and the stand-up. Marami na mas malakas yung loob nila to try nung after ng pandemic kasi nalaman nila there's improv pala here and there's also stand-up here. So, pre-pandemic, wala silang alam.
Yeah.
Na there's an existing group
Community
na pwedeng So ngayon, mas malakas loob ng mga Gen Z. So they tried. Tapos now, they're thriving.
I'm a little bit jealous of that generation. I'm like, who loved you so much and empowered you and was so proud?
Oo nga. Oo, walang titang sumasapak sa atin. Gano'n.
Hold me and tell me you're proud of me.
Pero minsan sobrang false Ano tawag doon?
No, it's not false
belief.
Yeah, false.
Confidence?
Yung masyadong binilog yung ulo. Like parang ang galing mo. Tapos sila naman, yes, ang galing ko.
Kaya ko sumayaw. You never had a workshop for improv?
I try.
Why are you so good in in like crowd work.
I think I'm funnier more in like situations. I don't know. My brain is just when
Snappy.
I hear I'm always like, oh
Galing.
yes, and this and then and this, but it's always usually dirty. It's always usually like dark and dirty and very not appropriate in all settings.
Feeling ko naman ikaw madaldal ka talaga kahit
Personality. It's your personality.
It's because I live alone and I'm lonely.
hanapan nga natin ng date to si Alex.
I'm sure nakapila yung mga date niyan. Mapili lang yan.
No,
Are you choosy, like looking for a guy?
I haven't had sex in like 6 months. I haven't been on a date in a very long time. This mic is looking very attractive right now. Okay, let's just
And very black and big.
BBC.
I don't see color. I just see size. No, I'm kidding. No, I need to get on the dating scene here, but I don't know. I think I intimidate
Wait, so you've been here for the
guys.
past 6 months?
I'm going to extend.
Oh, yeah.
Because I want to. I want to have time with my mom more, just and the Philippines. It's so nice.
Men are
here.
like intimidated by your height.
I think
Filipino
By your
men.
height?
by my height. Yeah.
Really?
So I should go around like.
Pero uso na ngayon yun The guy is shorter.
Yeah.
Tom Holland
Short
and
king,
Zendaya.
diba?
Meron pala meron kaming ipapadate sa'yo.
Okay, set me up.
Si Vilmar!
I could dye my hair red like Andy, diba?
Type to ni Filmar. Type ka nun.
Si Vilmar.
I know. Okay, I'll get a tattoo with him.
Too far.
I already get my eyebrows tattooed.
Just make it
so.
2 times 2 equals 4.
No.
To make it a little different.
Better than because you smoke, it's 420.
Wow, look at us topical, being all topical. But I mean, is that true? Well, I guess, yeah. I saw that. It was everywhere. I feel sad because they were like flaunting their relationship before, diba? It was everywhere. Yeah.
Pero anong type mo ngayon, Alex? Foreigner? Okay ka ba sa Pinoy?
I like
surfer. You like
Asian?
surfers?
I like someone who doesn't mind that I'm silly and dirty and like funny. Because I once dated a guy. I got into stand-up comedy because
You dated a comedian?
I dated a comedian who told me I was not allowed to be funnier than him.
What?
And I go, like in public or like in private? And he was like, both.
What the heck?
So then I thought,
Red flag.
I thought, okay, I don't think revenge comedian is a thing. But I was like, I'm going to become a revenge comedian where I'm only going to do it until I reach a certain level of fame just higher than him. And then I'm out.
You
But
made it already.
he's this English guy. I don't know. His name's, I don't know. He's not very, I don't know. I haven't thought about him much, but now I enjoy it. Now I'm addicted to the laughs and the spotlight.
It's not about him.
No, but I don't know. I think it's gonna sound terrible. I like a real man also, like if he's gonna like do things for you, like, yeah, like he'll provide, he'll open the door, maybe he'll, just
Yes, plans.
Pull your hair, yeah.
yeah,
But do you think Filipino men are sweeter, more maalaga, more gentlemen?
yes.
Have you
but
dated a Filipino guy?
I have not dated. I've like hooked up with. I think I hooked up. Oh my god, I don't remember his name, but he was a Filipino celebrity who was definitely trying to pretend he was not gay. And I think he
you
cried.
hooked up, like something happened?
Yeah, like we
What the heck?
matched online, and he was like, he like picked me up. Then he brought me back to his house after dinner or something, and he turned the lights off, which never happens during. So not to like flaunt, but like no guy ever turns or like no hookup has ever turned the light off when we're hooking up. Usually it's like this guy turned it off. He could not get hard.
Wait, is he like older than you?
He was a little older, but very like into his body. I can't even remember his name. Now. I have to look. And when I told friends about it, they're like, "Oh my God, no, we know about him." And I'm like, I think he's gay. I think he was because he lived at home with his parents, and I think he was trying to show them like look,
bring
I'm bringing girls.
So you
home.
woke up in his room
I
with his
hooked up.
parents
He
in
could
the other
not
room.
get it. Yeah, I mean that's my kink, but no. I'm like, your magulang's next door. Right? Yeah, let's do this. Lights on.
Be loud.
But I don't know. I felt he could. He just. I could tell he felt like sad afterwards, or like he wasn't being true to himself, which is.
So ano nangyari? So wala nangyari.
He couldn't, and then I had to get like a car home or something. I feel so bad, but I know it was very.
Ano sabi niya sa'yo? Wala siyang sinabi sa'yo?
No, like, I'm tired, or this doesn't usually happen. You can always say it doesn't. This never happens, diba? But I know, I felt so sad.
Na-insecure. Masyado itong maganda, pati natin yung ilaw. Mas maganda to sa akin. Kinapatay yung ilaw.
So mula sa kaboses ninyong drunk host, get me as a host in your wedding, Jeannie Lakay.
Mula sa kabos yung nagsasabing red horse, baka naman, Jean Cobillas.
Mula sa kaboses niyo, hindi na ulit magiging drunk girl sa kanyang next gig kay Asko.
At mula sa kaboses niyong mas preferred ang red wine kasi red horse, hindi kami ang
Lady Bosses!
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.